Have you ever faced false accusations or found yourself entangled in rumors that threaten to distract you from your goals? If so, you are not alone. Today, we will take some powerful lessons from the book of Nehemiah that can help us navigate through similar challenges in our lives. This is Brave Catholic Voices. Let's step back in time to ancient Jerusalem. So Nehemiah, a man with a purpose, was determined to rebuild the city's wall in the face of significant opposition. And his enemies devised a plan to hinder his efforts by spreading false rumors that he and the Jews were planning a rebellion. I hope this sounds familiar. How often do we also face similar unfounded allegations in our lives or malicious gossip in our lives? Despite the false accusations, Nehemiah's response shines as an example for all of us because he declared, "I am doing a great work, so I cannot come down." Now let's bring this ancient wisdom into our modern lives. How often do we let baseless rumors and gossip distract us from our purpose or cause us to doubt our own direction? Nehemiah's steadfastness teaches us the importance of staying focused on our goals despite what others may say or think. As we navigate through the challenges and adversity life throws at us, the story of Nehemiah reminds us to remain resilient. Regardless of the false accusations, Nehemiah did not waver. He stayed committed to his calling, demonstrating remarkable perseverance in the face of this adversity. So, back to the story. To prevent Nehemiah from rebuilding the walls, his enemies spread rumors about him that it is reported among the nations, and Geshem says that you and the Jews plan to rebel. Therefore, according to these rumors, you are rebuilding the wall that you may be their king. Now, you cannot control what people think or keep them from saying it, but you can determine your own response. For Nehemiah, he sent messengers to them saying, "I am doing a great work so that I cannot come down. Why should the work cease while I live and go down to you?" Mind you, they sent him this message 4 times and he answered them in the same manner. This story teaches us 3 important principles. 1. Refuse to give more attention to your critics than you would give to your friends. To Nehemiah, the people who mattered were those who were with him and not those who were against him. So instead of trying to change their minds, the minds of those who were against him, he'd rather change gears for the work and move forward. 2. Realize that with opportunity comes opposition. Paul writes, "There is a wide open door for a great work here, although many oppose me," in 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 9. And criticism is a sign of respect. If you aren't succeeding, nobody will even notice you. 3. Remember that it is the big battles that produce the big victories. Satan or the devil won't send you a congratulatory message because you have decided to do God's will. He will fight you every day, every step of the way. But greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. So today, God is on your side, so your victory is assured. And I just want to use this video to encourage you to reflect on the lessons from the story of Nehemiah. Let us learn to stay focused, resilient, and purpose-driven, even in the midst of false accusations or rumors against us. Remember, you have the power to determine your response to these challenges. I hope this video has been an encouragement to you. And if you enjoy it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the strength and resilience to overcome any false accusation or gossip that may come your way. Stay focused and resilient.